Okay guys, what I want to talk about today is just a real quick method of conserving resources if you're using a cigarette lighter for your main ignition source. And obviously your first fire that you want to start in an emergency, open flame is always going to be my go-to. After that, I don't know how much fluid this lighter's got in it necessarily, but conserving this resource is very important. So anytime I'm pushing that button down and expending fuel, it's a resource that I can't get back. So the next fire mentality tells me that I'm always going to make char with the first fire. Then I can use this device without expending fuel to light my next fire. And the way you do that is just tie something around the lighter in that slot so that there's no way you can push that button by accident and get fuel out of it. Now it just becomes a sparking device once you get it good and tight and get it inside that slot. So there's no way you can push that button down. Now I can take my char tin and get a piece of charred material out of there, like this cotton cloth, and just kind of fray the end of that out a little bit. And it should fairly easily take a spark that I can then combine with something else I've charred to give myself a bigger, larger ember. Now I have a large ember I can use to start my fire.